Hey everyone, this is George with you at the Volo Auto Museum, and today I want to invite you on a virtual test drive of a 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle. It's a cool looking car. If you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on the notifications so you get updated anytime Jay or myself do a video, and you don't miss out on the car of your dreams. This is a really awesome driver. It's not the most pristine Chevelle that we've ever had, but this one, it still looks great. And once I fire it up, you're gonna love that engine sound. And the purpose of this video is for you to get a look at it outside, hear what it's like starting up outside, how it drives, kind of put yourself in the driver's seat. For all the additional information about engine size, the 100 or so extra pictures, everything, go on over to volocars.com when we're done. You see the pricing, the write-up, everything you need to know inside and out. All right, let's get in here. Door opens nice. Bench seat's comfortable. The inside, you can see some normal wear and tear. But overall, I mean, I think I'm a little biased because I've already heard it start up. So if you notice, the radio has some defects to it, but it has the updated cluster of gauges down here for you. Kept the original. Has your engine temp, battery, oil, tachometer, fuel gauge. Let's go ahead and start it up. Like I said, this thing is a mean driver. Let's see what else. I got caught up in the engine for a second. Fan kicks on. Like I said, the radio doesn't appear to work. Alright, this is the first time myself or anyone else from the shop gets a chance to take it out on the road, so we're going to be finding everything if there's any hiccups together. I'm going to start out going slow, kind of getting the hang of this, to feel for it, and then I'm going to open it up a little bit later. I'm excited for that. Oh, wants to run. Power steering works great. Drive straight, the brakes felt right. Speedo's working, tachometer's working down there. Oil pressure gauge. Oh, I'm excited to open this up later. Brakes feel real nice. Not hearing any clanking or anything going on. All I hear is that sweet purr. or anything like that. Get a little space between us here. All right, let's get on a little more. Oh, that's so much fun. Oh, my goodness. Overall, like I said, what a great driver. I'm having a blast in this car. I hope you enjoy this virtual test drive. Like I said, click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on the notifications, and now's the time to head on over to volocars.com to see and read all the ins and outs, all the whole write-up and the pricing, and give sales department a call. As always, appreciate you.